What's going on, OTG fam? It's your boy, Mr. OTG, back at it again. So I got an order for a J. Cole t-shirt. Decided to sublimate it because I wanted to make me some socks before I go outside and ride on my bike. So in order not to waste any paper, combine both of the images. I got a 100% polyester white shirt right here. This is a, if I can get the tag, a Gildan Performance tee. Like I said, it's a white t-shirt. I got the image off of Google. Obviously, it was in a box. I cropped it out in a circle, make it easier in the silhouette program. And I'm going to be using my Epson 570 to print out the image. And I'm using my Fusion IQ. I got it at 400 degrees for 45 seconds. That's what I usually like to press on. And I'm going to print it right now. So let's get to the print. Here we go, it's printing. And the colors usually come out vibrant and about 90 to 95% accurate based on, the color profiles. A lot of times what you see on the computer is not exactly what's being printed. But yeah, my only thing is I'm hoping that it prints out the entire image because I have the 11 by 17 sheet in. I usually have the larger roll, the 24 inches, but you're gonna see, it looks like it's gonna come out perfect. I'm hoping. We'll see. Wonderful. And it cuts it for itself. Voila. All right, so a lot of the times when you print, or most of the time, or all the time when you print, your image is going to be darker than it is. But once the gas is released into the garment, which I'm doing socks, and this is a sock jig you can get on Amazon, it's going to show, like I said, 90 to 95% accurate of the color, especially with this Epson F570. So please remember, before sublimating anything, you put your butcher paper down, you use your lint brush and your lint brush your garment to take out any dirt, debris, any loose fibers. It can be flattened down. And then you take some more butcher paper and you put it on top. All right? Two, one. All right. Let's take it off and let's see how this thing is looking. All right, take that part off. I did that so that this little part right here won't melt. All right, here we go. Bam. Bam. This thing is very hot, but look how dope this thing came out, man. Look at that. You can make your own merch with sublimation. Mr. OTG on it. All right. I know you guys asking about, what happened to that J. Cole though? I got that J. Cole too, okay? There we go. Bam. Ooh. And keep in mind, this is sublimation. If you're good, it doesn't go through the other side of the shirt. It stays on one side. Like I said, if you're good, you know what you're doing. And this is in the fabric, okay? It is in the fabric. It is not on top. As you can see through the fabric, it is in the fabric. It's your boy, Mr. OTG. Mr. OTG Prince. Mr. OTG on 3. We got custom merch on deck, man. Don't play with your boy. Don't play with your boy.